So you may be in a position where for some reason TikTok is just not showing you comments of a video. Now this can mean one of two things. Either it's not showing comments of your videos that you posted, or it's not showing comments of other people's videos. Now the first thing I want to say is understand whether your videos usually get views, if they don't get views, if they're personal, comments for you. Sometimes, I post videos all the time, they don't get comments, and that's mostly because maybe nobody's watching the videos. But if you're getting millions or hundreds or thousands of views and nobody's commenting, you may just want to make sure you didn't accidentally turn off comments. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your TikTok video like this. You want to click on the three dots right here. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the end until you see this privacy setting. So go and click on privacy setting, and what we want to do here is where it says allow comments, you want to make sure this is enabled. If that was disabled, that technically means that that comment is not going to show up, or people will not be able to comment at this point. So go ahead and make sure this is enabled, and that's probably all you have to do at that point. Now, for some reason you do that and that's still not working, well then, like I said, maybe TikTok comments, were off and you turn them back on. But another thing I'd recommend doing is making sure TikTok isn't actually down. So what this means is if you make your way over to a website like downdetector.com, for example, this will actually show you essentially what services are down and their servers are down. So sometimes TikTok, their servers can be down. It's not an issue with you, it's just an issue with, that TikTok application. So if you scroll through here, if TikTok's not number one, then it's not an issue. But if TikTok is number one, just like how it is, let's just say TikTok right here is number one, it's like huge spikes all over the place. Well, that probably means TikTok was down, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix it. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, you can also make your way over to your app store just like so. You can click on the search bar, you can just search up TikTok like so. You want to go ahead and update this application as well. That can be another problem, and a majority of the time, this is probably it. I would say most of the time, this is probably going to be the issue, and that's really all you have to do. That still doesn't work. Again, TikTok may actually be down, and you may be one of the first people to actually see that it's down. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.